I've used quite a number of microphones, but I've never used a microphone as small as these. These are the LARK M2 wireless microphone from Hollyland, and for the rest of the entire video, that's the audio you are going to be hearing. Side note, Hollyland did send this out to me, but they aren't sponsoring this video. Neither are they paying me to say anything, or are they going to see this video before it gets posted. So this is not a sponsored video. This is 100% an honest review. What I have is the combo pack, which has everything Hollyland has to offer in the LARK M2 wireless microphone. But there are 3 other options, which include the mobile version for iPhones, the mobile version for USB-C, and the standalone camera version without the mobile receivers. For around $180, which is about 2,160 Ghana cedis or 180,000 naira, you should pick up the combo pack, which is about $20 to $30 more than the mobile version. You are getting everything you'd ever need to record audio in whatever situation you find yourself. Opening the box, you are met with this small card containing instructions as well as stickers, which I'll get to in a minute. Underneath that is the charging case, which houses the microphones themselves and the receiver for your camera, as well as 2 mobile receivers you can connect to your phone. Underneath that is the carrying pouch, which contains a TRS cable, 2 magnetic clips, 2 windscreens for the mics, 2 magnetic necklace straps, and a USB-C charging cable. Now obviously you can see the design of the LARK M2 was made to be small. Small enough not to distract you when recording, but big enough not to easily get missing. If you're wondering, it's the size of a £1 coin, and it's really impressive considering the sound it's producing. It has inbuilt noise cancellation features, which Hollyland calls the environment noise cancellation. With the press of a button on the microphone, noise cancellation can be turned on or off. So right now I have noise cancellation turned on, and the entire audio has noise cancellation turned on. So if I turn it off right now, you can hear there's so much background noise in my video, and noise cancellation automatically cancels all the background noise, making the video and the audio sound really good. This is the audio with noise cancellation turned off, and this is the audio with noise cancellation turned on. When you begin recording audio on the microphone with the receiver connected to your camera, make sure to press the button on the side of the receiver to turn on mono mode. Mono mode is activated when you see the light on the receiver turn green. There's also a gain dial you can increase from 1 gain to about 3 gains, and that should also help you get clearer audio. So make sure to press the button on the side of the receiver to turn on mono mode, because you don't want to end up recording audio and it's only playing on the left side of the audio whilst the right side is empty. So that's something you should note. There are also some cool features when you connect to your smartphone. By just double pressing on the side button on your microphone, you can start and stop recording videos on your phone without touching your device, which a lot of solo mobile creators would love. But let me know what you think of this audio, and if you're interested, I do have affiliate links in the descriptions, so no matter where you find yourself in the world, you can easily purchase one. Don't forget to sub to this channel if you found it helpful, and leave a like on this video. Thank you for watching. I'm Dessy, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.